Diamonds. These precious stones have been a symbol of luxury and elegance for as long as we can remember. These sparkling stones have captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern times, diamonds have always held a special place in our hearts and minds. Their brilliance and fire inspire awe and desire. The way they catch the light and reflect it in a dazzling array of colors is nothing short of mesmerizing. But diamonds are much more than just beautiful objects. They are symbols of wealth, status, and even eternal love. They are the hardest natural substance on Earth, making them not only beautiful, but incredibly durable. Each diamond holds a unique story, a journey through time and pressure. Formed deep within the Earth's mantle, they are brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions. From ancient legends to modern laboratories, diamonds continue to fascinate us. Today, we can even create diamonds in labs, mimicking the natural process. They are symbols of love, power, and enduring value. Whether in engagement rings or royal crowns, diamonds have always been a mark of something special. In this exploration of the dazzling realm of diamonds, we'll uncover their origins, delving deep into the earth where they are formed. Their journey from deep within the earth to the hands of skilled artisans, who cut and polish them to perfection, and the captivating tales of some of the world's most famous gems. Join us as we explore the allure of diamonds, their history, and their timeless beauty. Diamonds are born deep within the Earth's mantle, a region of intense heat and pressure. Over billions of years, carbon atoms bond together under these extreme conditions. This process forms the incredibly strong structure of a diamond. Volcanic eruptions bring these diamond-bearing rocks closer to the Earth's surface. Over time, erosion and geological processes can expose diamond deposits. The discovery of diamonds often involves a combination of geological expertise, exploration, and a bit of luck. The history of diamonds is as rich and multifaceted as the stones themselves. Ancient civilizations, including the Indians and Romans, treasured diamonds for their beauty and durability. Diamonds were believed to possess mystical powers and ward off evil spirits. Over the centuries, diamonds became highly sought-after gemstones, adorning crowns, scepters, and other symbols of power and wealth. The development of diamond cutting and polishing techniques in the late Middle Ages enhanced their brilliance and fueled their popularity. Section 4. From Mine to Market, the Diamond Supply Chain. The journey of a diamond from mine to market is a complex and fascinating process. Each step in this journey is crucial to ensure the quality and value of the final product. It begins with the extraction of diamond-bearing ore from the earth. This initial stage is both labor-intensive and technologically demanding. This can involve large-scale open-pit mining or underground operations. Each method has its own set of challenges and requires specialized equipment and expertise. Once the ore is extracted, it undergoes a series of crushing and sorting processes to separate the diamonds from the surrounding rock. These processes are designed to maximize the recovery of diamonds while minimizing waste. The rough diamonds are then sent to cutting and polishing centers, where skilled artisans transform them into the sparkling gems we know and love. This stage requires precision and artistry, as the way a diamond is cut can significantly affect its brilliance and value. After cutting and polishing, the diamonds are graded based on their quality, including factors such as clarity, color, cut, and carat weight. Finally, these precious stones, are set into beautiful jewelry pieces and make their way to markets around the world, ready to be cherished by their new owners. Section 5. Legendary Gems. Tales of famous diamonds. Throughout history, certain diamonds have achieved legendary status, captivating the world with their size, beauty, and intriguing backstories. These gems have not only dazzled with their brilliance, but have also been the subjects of myths, legends, and even curses. The Hope Diamond, with its deep blue hue and rumoured curse, is perhaps the most famous diamond in the world. Its history is filled with tales of misfortune and mystery, making it a subject of endless fascination. Other notable diamonds include the Cullinan diamond, the largest gem-quality diamond ever found. This extraordinary stone was cut into several major gems, each with its own unique story and significance. The Koh-i-Noor, a diamond with a long and controversial history, now part of the British Crown Jewels, has been a symbol of power and conquest for centuries. Its journey through various hands and empires adds to its mystique. These famous diamonds offer a glimpse into the allure and enduring fascination these stones hold. They are not just pieces of carbon, but are treasures that have shaped history, inspired legends, and continue to captivate people around the world. Section 6. The Dark Side of Sparkle. Ethical concerns in the diamond industry. While diamonds are often associated with beauty and luxury, the diamond mining industry has faced criticism for ethical concerns. Issues such as conflict diamonds, human rights abuses, and environmental damage have plagued certain parts of the industry. Efforts to address these concerns have led to the establishment of the Kimberley process, an international certification scheme aimed at preventing the trade of conflict diamonds. Consumers are increasingly demanding ethically sourced diamonds, prompting greater transparency and responsibility within the industry. Section 7. Diamonds, Enduring Symbolism and Future Prospects. Diamonds continue to hold a profound place in human society. They are cherished symbols of love, commitment, and enduring value. Beyond their use in jewelry, diamonds are finding increasing applications in technology and industry due to their exceptional hardness and thermal conductivity. As technology advances and ethical concerns are addressed, the future of diamonds remains bright. These captivating stones will undoubtedly continue to sparkle and inspire for generations to come.